What's up, guys? It's XD4 here, and today I've got another Firework stash update for you guys. So I'll start with the big stuff over here. It's not a very big, update, but I just got a few stuff that I got at Jake's Fireworks, which is a pretty good place to shop. And so let's get into it. So first, I got this Chasing Booty by World Class. It's a 500 gram cake. It's pretty good. It's got a lot. It goes pretty fast. It's got 24 shots. This is a pretty good cake right here. And then next, we got a Guerrilla Warfare. This is a really good cake right here. It's just really fast. Like, basically when you shoot it up, it looks like there's like one continuous orb that just keeps shooting out stuff in the sky because it goes so fast. And it's a really good cake right here. Highly recommend that one. Next, I got Excalibur shells here. Let's see. And I think on the back tells you all of the effects. Then getting on to this stuff right here, I got two of these Drop Zone parachutes. Pretty big parachute, 109 inch. So I got two of those. Now I got two of these parachute with color changing flares. Then I got one Geronimo parachute thing. And moving on to this sack over here, I got this trying to get the thing. Parachute Battalion by Boomer. It's a pretty good parachute cake. I got Boomer Festival balls. Pretty cool. Another Parachute Battalion. Then I got two of these Just Hanging 25 shot 200 gram cakes. They're pretty cool. So yeah, that's basically it for today. I'm probably going to be doing a few more stash updates after this. But this is just a little trip that we took, and it's just pretty cool. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. And so yeah, bye.